Hi and welcome to Uncle Scott's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the world's best 3-bean salad with 4 beans. It's 1 bean better. It's a delicious bean salad. It uses sugar and apple cider vinegar in the marinade, giving a good balance between sweet and acidic flavors. It's got a nice texture. It's a good looking salad, lots of color. And as a bonus, it's very easy to make with ingredients you can find at your local supermarket, Costco, or Sam's. Let's get started. We'll start with the ingredients. Now the ingredients and recipe are also listed in the description of this video, so don't worry about writing these down if you don't want to. I use 2 cans of yellow wax beans, 1 can of cut green beans, 1 can of dark red kidney beans, and the 4th bean, the one that really levels this recipe up, a can of garbanzo beans. Now for the fresh ingredients, I use 1 green bell pepper, 1 slicing cucumber, and 1 white onion. I've gone with mutant GMO supermarket veggies here. For the marinade, you need 2/3 of a cup of oil, 1 1/3 cups of apple cider vinegar, 1 1/2 cups of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of table salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And for the equipment, nothing really fancy here. I like to use a glass bowl. I don't use a metal bowl for this just because of the acidity and the vinegar. I don't want any metallic taste coming into the salad, but you can use a plastic bowl. Bonus points if you have a glass bowl with a fitting lid. If not, plastic wrap works just fine. And then just a few standard kitchen items like measuring cups and spoons, a cutting board, a good knife, a strainer, a peeler, and a can opener. Making the salad. Open your cans. Drain and add the wax beans and green beans to your bowl. Drain and rinse the kidney and garbanzo chickpeas and add those. Now add the oil, vinegar, sugar, pepper, salt, and give it a good stir. Next we'll chop and add the veggies. Let's start by slicing the cucumber, thin or thick slices, your choice. If you want to level up, take your peeler and remove a strip of peel every so often. Then when you slice your cucumber, you get these neat little pinwheel effects. Remember, nice presentation makes your food taste better. I use about half of a cucumber, but add more or less to your liking. For the bell pepper, I'm a little wasteful and don't really use the top or the bottom. Remove the top and bottom, then the ribs, sounds a little painful, and seeds, then slice them up into little squares. Finally, the onion. We want a bunch of little onion rings here. So cut thin slices, then pop out the little rings. Now small to medium-sized rings work best. Bigger are fine too, but just note that they don't fit quite so easily on a fork, so your guests will have to cut them, whereas all the other ingredients are easily scoopable. I think that's what they call a first world problem. So in go the rings, give it another stir, on goes the lid, and then into a fridge for at least 3 hours. And there you have it, a beautiful, colorful, delicious, easy to make 3-bean salad with 4 beans. I think it's the best in the world, but why don't you make it, give it a try, and see what you think. If you come up with some ways to improve it, why don't you post those in the comments below, and then the recipe will get even better. Now if you enjoyed this recipe video, please subscribe to the old channel here at Uncle Scott's Kitchen. If you didn't enjoy it, please subscribe anyway. Do your good deed for the day. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time on Uncle Scott's Kitchen.